Hello there, today I'm going to talk to you about the Sebo Duo. If you're in the carpet cleaning business, you're probably familiar with these already. If you're in the carpet cleaning business and you're not familiar with these, you need to be because all your competitors have got one. This is an agitation machine. It has two very stiff brush rolls that contra-rotate. So what it does is it agitates carpet pile. Now it's designed for use with dry carpet cleaning powder like Sebo Duo powder, or very similar to the old Dyson Zorb powder. But it's designed for Sebo Duo powder, which I have on the floor here. You put the powder on the floor, you agitate it in with the machine, you leave it a while and you vacuum it up. However, this machine also has an unofficial use, which most of the carpet cleaning industry really use it for, and that's wet agitation. Now, if you're going to be using this on wet agitation, which people do, you're not supposed to, but everybody does, you're not going to get your warranty on it if it comes back damaged with water because it's not designed for water. But you know, they last quite a long time anyway, like that. And you guys can probably take things to pieces and fix it yourself. The only thing that's going to go wrong with this, if you're using it for wet agitation, the brush rolls are going to clog up a little bit eventually. You can buy those, they're quite easy to swap. And there's a bearing blocks inside that drive the brush rolls. And eventually, if you're using it for water, the water can get in the bearings, they seize up. But these are fairly straightforward things to fix yourself. If you're a practical kind of bloke, you probably fix all your own carpet cleaning machines anyway. So that is the unofficial use that it seems that the world and his wife buys them to use, is for wet agitation. But the real use is actually for the dry carpet powder. So what we're going to do, I've put some powder on the floor already. We're going to just agitate it, show you how it's supposed to be used, and then we'll give it a quick vacuum afterwards, because probably if you're in the carpet cleaning trade, you've got a BS360. And everybody tends to use these two in conjunction with each other. You do your powder agitation with that, and then you clean up afterwards with your 360. Or even if you're going to do a wet clean, you would do your pre-clean with a BS360 before you put your wet on the carpet. So we're just going to give this a bit of agitation, then we're going to vacuum it up. And since people keep asking in the YouTube comments where she is, we'll get Olga to do the agitation. So that is the Sebo Duo alongside the BS360. If you need to know more about the BS360, by the way, I've got another video on another part of our channel all about that. Now, something else you can do with this machine, if you're cleaning big floors, you can buy two of them and you can buy a special bracket that joins them both together. I'm going to show you a picture of us doing just that. So these are a very popular, as I said, these are a very popular and very versatile machine with the carpet cleaning trade. We keep these in stock at all times. We ship with Royal Mail Tract 48, so it only takes a couple of days for you to get one. We don't have any Highlands and Islands surcharges like some people do, so if you live at the top of Scotland or in Northern Ireland, it doesn't cost you any more. On our site, what you see is what you pay, including VAT. We also keep all the spares for these in, everything you're likely to need. We keep the brush rolls, the bearing blocks, all the stainless steel screws inside them, anything that's likely to be affected by you using it for wet agitation. We sell all the spare parts, and again, we keep all those in stock, and you get those next day delivery. So thank you for watching. I hope that showed you everything you need to know about the Sebo Duo. Thanks for watching.